Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use Wan AI 2.2. It's a powerful AI tool that lets you create images and video from text or even from your own pictures. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your browser and type Wan AI, and then just click on the official link, and then just sign in with your Google account. And once you log in, you will receive daily credits that you can use right away. And then inside Wan AI 2.2, you can generate image from text or generate video from text or even from image. First, just click on generate. And then you can choose videos generator or image generator. And in this tutorial, I will try to generate a video. And next, you can choose your method that you prefer, image to video or just text to video. It's totally up to you. And in this tutorial, I will try generates video from image. Next, just simply upload your picture. And then just type your prompt. Like this. And then you can tap on enhance prompt if you wanna make your prompt better. And then just choose your model. In this tutorial, I will try to use 1-to-1 plus. And then here's the good news. You can also generate content without credits, but the process might take a bit longer. So in this tutorial, I will keep it generates with credits. And then if you want your video to include sound, just turn on these options like this. And after you're done with the settings, just click generate. And okay, let's play the video. And okay, like this one, AI just turn your image into a video with sound like this. It looks realistic, cinematics, and overall, the video is amazing. And okay, that's how you use Wan AI 2.2 to generate amazing AI content with ease. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.